You know, I'm always surprised, you know, looking at other impact campaigns. They manage things with a spreadsheet in their email inbox.
No.
And that may be working when you're like a solo impact producer and you have it all in your head, all the missing bits. But as soon as you're working together in a team, all these people will be interacting, and all these people will have ways of interacting with our outside contacts, our prospects. And if that doesn't get tracked in the same system, then you know you completely lose the oversight. And you know, especially if somebody happens to be less available at some point and we don't know who that person has interacted with, it's essential to have a CRM at the back, like the people database in NationBuilder, to you know, make up for that.